Hey mga Didi! So today, we're gonna try out Grand House Dining, luto ni Ama.
Meron silang private rooms dito for family gatherings.
Ang nakikita natin dito na pictures, these are all the pictures from Grand Dining in Binondo before. Ang bongga guys, ang bongga. So yun guys, for today, we're gonna try their wok bowls.
Para marami tayong dishes na matatry. And these all comes with iced tea, brewed coffee, or hot tea. And we're also gonna try their chef's special. And tara guys, welcome to the Grand House. There's complimentary peanuts, tas yung mga music dito, mga old Chinese songs. For our first dish, we got their stir-fry egg white with crystal shrimp. This was actually pretty good.
Sarap. Guys, malasan yung egg white if you eat this with some fried rice.
Parang yang chow na walang rice.
Presentation, it's very bongga. But yung lasa very good. Ito naman,
Sichuan chicken popcorn. This is a very bold dish. The chicken was quite tender naman, but I swear you have to dip it in this vinegar to elevate it even more.
hard flavor.
And ooh la la. This is their tiger prawn with butter tossed noodles. Ito yung tipong makakain mo sa mga big events.
So good. Kung alam niyo yung mayroong lobster, like the noodles on the bottom, yan yung pinapapakpad. Hindi ka nabusog. Yummy! I like it. Ito na yung definition ng healthy. Crispy oyster cake.
I don't think nakatrain na ako ng whole deep fried oyster cake. Tangi yung mga sauces niya, kaya bumabagay talaga.
Hindi pa ako yung crunch talaga. It's lesser oyster cake compared to most. Kasi yun nga, it's fried and a bigger crispy oyster cake. If nasa luto tayo nila Ama.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung kyampong. May chicken at pork na kasama. Tapos grabe yung serving dito, it's for tuna ha. Literal na kyampong.
The flavor, that's really nice. I can taste the mushroom.
Mafe-feel mo talaga yung pagmamahal ni Amma sa'yo. Don't forget to mix the shallots and peanuts. Kasi grabe na in love na ako after niya.
Hindi pa kayo extra kung pwede. This is the Grand House Seafood Rice Casserole.
Bits of squid, shrimp, and fish.
Guys, ang dami nilang rice dito. The cheese flavor is actually quite strong, pero hindi siya nakakaulog.
Overall, it's really yum. As for their drinks naman, brewed coffee and tea were nice. Iced tea was strong for me.
Fish tausi with bean curd.
Ito talaga very homey also.
Sarap. Very well done ng tausi dyan.
And for the finale, syempre, luto ni Ama.
Yan, Ama's lomi. Oh, lomi nga. Kapal ng noodles sila.
Mga chicken pieces, fishball. Tapos talagang on the savory side si Lomi.
Sausage shrimp. Overall guys, I would say, dishes here in Grand House Dining, it's heavily seasoned.
Like very savory. Parang bumalik ka rin sa Binondo. But definitely, mas magandang ambience dito. Bagay talaga for family gatherings.
Yun guys, we're done eating. Yun lang. Thanks.